Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be doing another cloud effect, yay! And I'm going to be using some awesome metallic colors. I am going to be working on a 14 by 18 canvas, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so this painting is all dry and I love it. It is super, super beautiful. These colors are amazing. I got this awesome color cloud effect that's got the different colors in it. You know, I got the pink and purple and light blue and a teal almost, and that gold is just gorgeous. I got tons of the poofy clouds and then a bunch of little pebble cloud cells, I guess. The colors blended amazing, and I think it's awesome. So I'm hoping that you guys like it as well. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and also share this video. I don't know if you guys know how much I appreciate all of those things, and I hope you guys have a great day.